whether I gave permission. I explained that Mom always said the money was saved for college, that I never had access to the account myself, that I didn't know she could just close it whenever she wanted. Agatha asked about the joint account structure, and I told her it was set up when I was 13, that Mom said it was normal for parents to be on their kids' accounts. She made notes about everything, and explained the bank had standards for provisional credit in fraud cases. My situation was complicated because the account was technically joint, but the pattern of access and the timing of the final withdrawal, right when I discovered Dad was alive, created a strong case. She said she'd present everything to the fraud review committee and get back to me within 2 weeks. Giovanni called a few days later about arranging a DNA test. He explained that to shut down any argument from Mom and Mark about my standing in Dad's case, we needed definitive biological proof. The test would be through an approved lab, and the results would go into the official APS file. I agreed, even though something about it felt wrong, like I had to prove my own family. We went to the lab the next morning, and a technician swabbed the inside of my cheek, then Dad's, and labeled the samples with case numbers. The whole thing took 10 minutes. Walking out, I felt angry that this was necessary, that 12 years of lies meant I had to scientifically verify I was my father's son. Dad was quiet in the car, and I knew he felt it too, this invasive proof of something that should have just been true. Artemisia called me into the legal aid office for an update. She'd drafted an emergency